Welcome back to another Matchday vlog then. It's Tottenham versus Wolves. Hope you're all keeping well and enjoyed today's video. 8 PM kickoff tonight, so here we are then. It's light for now, but it won't be for very long. Looking forward to the game. She looks beautiful. As always, great to be back home. Should be a tough game though. It's a beautiful evening in the capital, so I decided pre-match, because it is nice, I'm going to go meet up with Willsy, a renowned Tottenham content creator, regular podcast, does all my thumbnails and graphics. Love the guy, so I'm going to go meet up with him and then go visit the Bill Nicholson gates. So come around the stadium with me. So I'm joined by the legend himself, Willsy. Willsy, what's your score prediction for today?
My score prediction is 2-0 Spurs.
Come on, Spurs.
Great to catch up with Willsy. We speak on WhatsApp on a daily basis. Always good to see someone in person. I love that guy. And then seeing the Bill Nicholson gates, you know, a bit of history and reminder what the club's all about. You know, the passion, history and the pride of the badge. I mean, Bill Nicholson achieving some great things. So it's good to finally do that. But here's the Matchday programme you would have seen there. Looking forward to reading Peter Charrington, the new non-executive chairman, his thoughts. Also Thomas Franks, of course. If you don't know already, I'm an 1882 season ticket holder, so we get access to this bar and you've got football on in the background, Nottingham Forest and Sunderland, which is quite an interesting game. A lot of pressure on Ange Postecoglou at the moment. Believe it or not, Sunderland have got the advantage. Food time then, a lot for offer on 1882 in terms of their selling. I've gone with, I think it's a jerk chicken burger, potato wedges, corn on the cob. Time to get a good first look at our seats. I mean, I don't know why I do this because I know exactly where we sit. It's the same every time being a season ticket holder, but right now we're about 45 minutes from kickoff. They're just running through the lineup one more time, so we come out the last 25 minutes or so. So that is your Tottenham team on screen. I mean, no big surprise in there for me. Of course, you've got the substitutes as well. Good to see Porro finally getting a rest. We've still got good options off the bench to change the game if we need it. Good to see Scarlett on the bench once again. So no surprise for me anyway from a Tottenham point of view. Now just 10 minutes to go before kickoff. Here we go then, the players enter the pitch, 8 PM kickoff. Let's do this, come on Spurs. Full time, it finishes Tottenham 1, Wolves 1, very disappointing, poor point overall. Good to salvage something, I suppose, at the end, but overall, really poor performance, very worrying. A lot needs to be improved on and learned. Not a good day at the office at all for Tottenham, weren't at the races. Thank you very much for watching, really appreciate your support recently.